What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review of this Crocs right here that I got on Amazon. So it basically comes in this bag right here, well packaged. So I'm gonna show you guys basically how it basically look. So this size right here guys is the 5 male and 7 women, as you can see right there. So it fit perfectly fine. I love how it basically designed like this. So basically it's pretty neat, as you can see right there. So I'm just gonna pull this off. So as you guys can see, it's looking really neat. I love how it basically designed. So there, bottom right there, you can see inside. This can basically fold back for the back strap if you want to wear it like that. So you guys can see design all around it right there. It's looking pretty neat.